I'm Shelly Casper, and I'm a participant of the Bartram's Garden Community Garden Program. I definitely recommend the garden bed program from Bartram's. I've been really pleased with my experience. I think it's a really great way for people in the community to have both access to fresh fruits and vegetables and also just have a new activity that they can focus some time and energy on. It was super easy from start to finish. I feel like I was set up with everything I needed for the garden to thrive, which was really important to me as someone who's new to gardening. The garden looks really gorgeous, so just from an aesthetic level, I just love kind of what it's done for my space. I found it very soothing, and it's kind of just good for my mental health to have a project that was kind of having to do a thing every day. It was kind of ritualistic in that way, which I found very comforting and was very nice for me. So there definitely was elements of it aside from just having fresh produce on hand that I feel were really good for just my mental well-being. And I'm really pleased with how it turned out.